Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to introduce you to one AI editor known as Cursor AI Editor. This editor is nowadays getting popular in the market. Using this editor, you can do something known as vibe coding. What is vibe coding and what is this editor? I'm going to cover next. So let's get started. So there are two items that I'm going to cover in this session. One is cursor cursor AI editor is one thing. Okay. The other one is vibe coding. Okay. Other one is vibe coding. These are the two terms you have to remember now, guys. Okay. One thing is about the editor that I'm going to showcase in this session. Other one is something that I'm going to go do with this editor that is called as vibe coding. Okay. What is this vibe coding? What is this editor? How this editor is an AI editor? Okay. All these things I'm going to cover in this session. So here we got an editor in the market known as Cursor AI Editor. Using this editor, just by entering some prompts, okay, just by writing some prompts, we can do everything, guys, okay? Whether you are a developer or tester, okay, whether you are a developer or automation tester, whatever it may be. For example, if the developer want to build a software, okay, build a software, just by using prompts, developer can build the software, okay? That's how great this editor is, guys, okay? Similarly, the automation engineers also can build a project, create a project, build a framework, and write the automation scripts just by typing some prompts. Okay, just imagine just by typing some prompts, you are able to create a project, build a framework, write the automation scripts. Everything will be done by the editor itself. You don't have to touch the code also. Okay, all the code will be written by the editor itself. The framework, the project creation and structure creation of the project will be done by the editor itself. The framework building process will be done by the framework, this editor itself. You see, you don't have to do anything. Just give it some prompts. The editor will do everything that you need. This is what is a cursor AI editor, which is trending in the market, guys. Okay, just by typing some prompts, you can get the things done. Okay, and this process of entering some prompts and writing, building some software or building some projects or frameworks or automation scripts, building some or creating some automation scripts is called as a vibe coding. Okay, so this is a new term in the market. Okay, vibe coding, where you don't have to write the code, just by writing some prompts, all the project and code, everything will be created for you on the fly. Okay, so cursor AI editor. So you may think that, okay, then what is the use of automation engineers nowadays in the market? You may get it out, right? And in fact, you're afraid of where the industry is going ahead. A lot of this kind of things are coming where, just by giving prompts, everything is happening. Okay. The project is getting created, the framework is getting built, automation scripts are getting created. Then what is the use of automation tester, you may think? Okay, still, guys, there is a need. You see, these editors and all have come into the market to speed up the process. Okay, to speed up the process. They are not there for now, to replace us, but they are, here to help. We have to accept the reality, guys. You see, nowadays, a lot of AI tools are coming into the market. Instead of being afraid of this kind of AI tools, they take away our jobs and all those stuff. Instead of having that kind of mindset, we should be in a different situation, because there is nothing we can do, right? When there is nothing we can do, what we have to do? We have to accept the reality. Okay, learn this AI tools. Okay, like Cursor AI and any other AI tools in the market. You have to accept these tools and get used to it, and be ready for the future. Okay, so that's how the thing. And also, some people may say that, okay, anyhow, the cursor AI editor has come into the market, then what is the need of learning Selenium automation? What is the need of learning Java programming? Because just by writing some prompts, everything is happening. Though the AI editor and all those things will generate the code for you, it will just speed up the process. But the results given by this editor may or may not be correct always. Okay, who need to confirm the results? We, as software testers or automation engineers, have to confirm the results given by this cursor AI editor. Though they are introduced into the market just to speed up the things, it doesn't mean that you have to completely depend on this editor, okay, or this AI tools. We have to accept the reality, guys, and use this kind of AI tools and proceed further to enhance our career or to enhance our skills, whatever it may be. But we should not be afraid of and think that, okay, our job, we should not be so much negative thinking in such a way that, okay, our jobs will be lost and all those stuff, but rather accept these tools, learn them very fast before everyone learns, and be ready and try to introduce them in your companies and, get started. Okay, that's how you have to grow in your company, guys. Okay, there is no other way to escape this kind of thing that is happening nowadays in the market. But other than we have to adjust to this trends, okay, accept this kind of tools and start using them and get the benefits, and should be able to finish the work faster than other people. Okay, that's the only thing that is left out in our hands. So with that note, guys, let's start with the cursor AI editor. Okay, so this editor I need to download. Okay, I would like to demonstrate this editor for you now. For that, I need to download and install the cursor AI editor. Okay, so I already have downloaded, guys. Earlier I have already have downloaded this. I'll delete this. Okay, I'll delete this and freshly download for you. Freshly download this cursor AI editor for you. For that to happen, I'll just go to the browser and search for cursor AI editor. Okay, these are the terms I'll search. Click on the first link. You see, when you search for this cursor AI editor, the search results will get cursor AI, cursor.com. The AI code editor link will come. Click on that link. Once you click on the link, click on the downloads for Windows. Download for Windows, and it will get downloaded, guys. Okay, the cursor AI editor will get downloaded. Let's wait for the exe file of the cursor AI editor software to get downloaded, so that using this exe file, we are going to install the software, okay, in our machines. Let's wait. Okay, once done, go to this location where it got downloaded. Double click on this cursor exe file. The installation wizard will start in a while. Okay, we go to the installation wizard, select the license agreement on the installation wizard, click on next. Just keep clicking on next without changing anything. Just keep clicking on next, and finally the install button you have to click, so that the cursor AI editor will get installed in your machine. Okay, let's wait for a while until this editor gets installed in my machine. We generally use Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ kind of editors, okay, to build the Selenium projects, to create the frameworks from scratch, or to write the automation scripts, guys. But nowadays this kind of editors are coming into the market, AI kind of editors. Okay, using this, everything will be done by this editor itself, guys. Okay, we should know how to write the prompts. We should have the general basic knowledge of what we want. Okay, remaining all will be taken by the editor. Okay, remaining all will be taken by the editor. But I'm going to show you in this session how quick we can build a project, how quick we can build a framework, how quick we can write the automation scripts using this kind of editor. Okay, it's beyond our expectations, guys. This editor is beyond our expectations, and it's not completely free, guys. This editor is not completely free. So, but in this session, I'm going to use the free variation. Okay, free version of this editor. If I go to the pricing of this website, you can clearly see free is there. Okay, but pro is also there. Okay, so free is kind of slow, guys. Okay, your request, whatever the prompts you write will be answered in a slow manner. The results will come in a slow manner. Some 2 weeks trial is there, and all those stuff is there here in this free version. Okay, but if you like this editor, you can go for the paid version, where you have to spend $20 per month, okay, to get all the requirements. Okay, so either you can go with the free version or paid version, but in this session, as part of demo purpose, I'm going with the free version. But later, if it is viable for you, and if it is helping you in creating the things faster, then you can go with the paid version. Okay, but again, I'm saying don't blindly depend on this kind of editors and all, guys. Okay, so before this, the one who is already good with something and then start using this tool, right, they can use it effectively. But if you are a kind of person who are a beginner of Selenium Java automation, and you are not good with Selenium automation, despite of using this editor, there is no use, because you will not understand what is happening, right? So to understand how this editor works and all, you should be good with Selenium Java automation and all the stuff. You would have built a framework by yourself. You have created the automation scripts by yourself. You have created a project by yourself. Everything you would have done by yourself before coming here. But with that knowledge, if you use this kind of editor, you will understand how fast or how quickly this editor will help you in building the projects, building the frameworks, and writing the automation scripts. Okay. So you see, by default, if you want to launch, you can keep this checked, or and click on finish, it will launch. Otherwise, you can go to search and search for cursor, and you can launch from there also. But anyhow, I launched it from the installation wizard itself. I launched it. So in a while, the cursor AI editor is going to launch in our machine. Okay, let's wait for the cursor AI editor to get launched in our machine. For the first time, it will take some time, guys. That's okay. You see the cursor editor is getting launched for the first time. And this kind of view will come where cursor pro trial is there. Go unlimited for now. It is a trial version. They are giving the pro version for trial thing. Okay. For some small amount of time, 2 weeks of time. Okay. I'll just say open project. I have to create a folder where I want to, create the project and all. I'll go to the documents, guys. I'll go to the documents and create a folder here. Any place in your machine, you can go and, cursor workspace. Okay. Just give some name. Okay. For the workspace where you want to create the projects and get the things done. Okay. Select the folder. That's it. It will be using cursor workspace has come here. This is the location where my projects will be built and all the stuff. You see, you can clearly see this editor, guys. On the right side of the editor, there is a new chart. Here you are going to write the prompts. Using these prompts, everything will be done on this is a work area and this is a place where, project structure will be created for you. Okay. At this moment, you see, there is no project structure, guys. If you expand everything, nothing is there. You see, nothing is there in this. Okay. It's a blank one. But after writing some prompts, right, you will see that what it can do. Okay. And simply say create a Selenium Java project. Okay. Create a Selenium Java project. Simple prompt I'm giving. Okay. Here no project is there, but I am wanted to create a Selenium Java project. Okay. Let's see what it will do. Small prompt I have given. You see, it's trying to, I'll help you create some Selenium Java project with Maven for dependency management. Okay. I'll set up a basic project structure with necessary dependencies and a sample test case. It's saying something. Okay. That's okay. Let's wait. You see, pom.xml file, it has created automatically, guys. Okay. I just need to select accept, guys. That's it. I don't have to write anything. Okay. This pom.xml file in the project has been created. Now I'll create a sample test class that demonstrate basic Selenium usage. It's saying here Selenium libraries it has added. Okay. Now I'll create a sample test class that demonstrate basic Selenium usage. It's creating some Google search test for sample. Based on the prompt given, it will do the work. Okay. Click on accept. Here you see under src, all the structure it has created. I didn't create src test Java, com example, or this file. Everything has been done by itself. Okay. But it will be kind of slow, guys. That's okay. It has created some readme.md file also. I just need to click it, select accept. That's it. Okay. Then, so whatever the work it has done, it's telling me that it has completed. Okay. Fine. Now I'm not satisfied with this kind of stuff. I want to do one thing like, I want you to automate I want you to write automation scripts for register account, register account search and login functionalities of the application. For sample, for sample, write two scripts, two scripts for every functionality. Okay, just for sample. Okay, otherwise, if you write more, right, for demonstration, it will take time. I'm asking you to write only two automation scripts for every functionality. Okay, application URL also I'm giving. What is application URL that I want it to automate? I don't want to write automation scripts. I want editor to write the automation scripts. I want to give the editor this particular URL of the application using which it need to write the automation code on. Okay, just write enter here. Let's see what it will do. I want you to write automation scripts for register account functionality, search and login functionalities of the application. For example, write two scripts for every functionality. Application URL is this one I said. I'll help you create automation scripts for register functionality, search functionality, and login functionality. Using the existing Selenium Java project structure, I'll create separate test cases for each functionality with two test cases each. First, let's create a base test class that will contain common setup code. Accept. Whatever it will create, just click on accept. Okay. Base test is created for now. Here you see base package is there. Under that base test came automatically. Now let's create the register account test class. Click on accept. Okay. Here under the test, register test will come in a while. Target came. Under the target classes are there. Okay. Base is there. Tests are there. Okay. Let's see what will happen here. Okay. Depending on the type of the prompts you give, this project is automatically created. I'm not creating this project structure. I'm not creating these files. I'm not writing any part of the code. You see, everything will be done by the editor itself. Okay. You see, login test, restart test, and such test created, guys. In each and every test, if you go here and see, if you go to the login test, two automation scripts are done. Okay. If you go to the restart test, there are two more automation scripts. If you go to such test, also two more automation scripts are there. Okay. Uh, remove, but I don't want the Google search. Okay. Remove Google search test from this project. You see, I don't even want to delete or right click and all those. Okay. From this project, I'll say it will take my prompt and remove it also. Since it is this file is not removed needed in this project, you want to delete, accept. Click on accept, it will be done. Okay, it will be deleted, guys, in a while. Just wait. You see, now it got deleted. Now convert this project into a Selenium Java framework. Okay, which is according to the best industry standards. Okay, like this I'll type. This looks very normal, right? But I wanted to create a proper project structure like page object model, page factory, and all those stuff. Okay, I'm asking it to do it to the best, asking it to follow the best industry standard practices for building the stuff. It will do all the work. Let's wait. It is going to create utilities, reporting, test data management, configuration management, page object model, custom exceptions, logging, and all those stuff. Okay. For that required libraries it is getting. Click on accept. Yes, you need to just click on accept, guys, and give proper prompts. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Things have changed a lot these days. Now it created the configuration properties file. Click on accept. That's it. You see, all the properties that you want to use in the automation script for removing the hard coding part is being done here. Okay. That's also done. Now let's create the logging configuration. Log4j file also will be created, guys. Let's wait. Click on accept. That also will be done. You see, it's creating some driver manager.java file to manage our driver and all those stuff. Okay. Can expand this and see what is going on here. SRC test Java. Under SRC main, you see, you got the driver manager. Under Java, you got base. Under that, you got this one. Resources, you got this one. Click on accept, guys. Just simply keep clicking on accept and all. That's it. Don't have to do anything else. One by one, it will create. Again, click on configurator also. Some file has been created. That's okay. Now it's asking, now it's creating a base page object class also. Okay, page classes it's creating. Till now base and test were created. Now page classes it's creating, guys. For that first base page class it will create. Only thing that you can do here is accept. Okay, you can't do anything more than that. Just click on accept. Once you click on the accept, it's creating, guys. Wait. So much of work done in kind of minutes. This kind of work will take days. No, this editor is doing in minutes. Test base class it's creating. Okay. If some framework is there under that base test is getting created. Click on accept. TestNG XML configuration file also got created, guys. For login page, it's creating the page object class. Driver, under that pages, under that utils, everything is coming, you see? Everything is coming. Click on accept. Click on accept. Okay. Yes. I want everything to be created. I'm just selecting yes so that it'll create page classes for the search functionality and register functionality also. You see, so much of code it has written, guys. You see, without your notice and all, it has created so much of code. Okay, wait. Such test.java it's creating. It may be slow, guys, because it's not a paid one. It will be slow sometimes, and also sometimes errors may also come. Means, the prompt engine may not work well, or it gives me some errors and all. Okay, that's okay. We have to overcome that because we are using a free version of the software. Until we go to the paid version, some kind of limits will be there. So we have to be used to it. Now we are using a pro only, I think so, but for a limited amount of time. Okay. So what all got created, it's giving me some message, guys. Okay. So it's giving me some information. It's created register page.java, search page.java, page objects and all. It created register test. Okay. Such test it has created. Okay. A lot of things it has done. Okay. So now I'll say I want more things here. Okay. Uh, implement page factory also. Factory also. And also implement page factory also. One by one I'll do. Okay. It will go to the page classes and implement the page factory things. Okay. It's working on it. Let's wait. Click on accept to do some modifications on the go. Okay. Some things need to be removed. Some things need to be added. It will take care of all the stuff. Okay. Click on accept. If there are some errors, it had identified some errors in the project, guys, and it's starting, rectifying them automatically. I didn't ask it, but it will cross check. Like if there are some errors, it will accept. It will do some changes. Accordingly, it will do some changes to rectify the errors. Let's click on this and see if there any errors are there. Yes, there are some errors, but it has not notified. Okay. So I'll simply say scan the project once for any errors and rectify them. Rectify them. Okay. Let's see what it will do. If there are any errors in the software, it has to rectify them. Okay. src main Java, src test Java. Under that base, all the tests are there. Here, few things are repeated. Okay. It need to. Okay. You see, all the test data is now entered into the configure properties file. Okay. That's another advantage you are getting. It has taken a decision of removing the hard coding of the data also automatically. Let's wait until we get the results. Simply click on accept and all. Click on accept. Login test, it is working on. You see, this kind of errors will come in between. Okay. We have trouble connecting to the model provider. This might be temporary. Resume you have to say or something. Okay. Since we are using a free version, right? This kind of issues will come. That's okay. Just you need to wait. Again, you have to say try again. Click on accept. Okay. Let's see. Is errors gone? No, there are some errors. Okay. There are some errors in register page. There are some errors in register page.java. Let's wait until it. Okay. It's identified the problem. Debugging also will be done by itself only, guys. We don't have to worry. We don't have to write the code. We don't have to debug. Everything will do. The tool itself will do. Editor will do everything by itself. You see, the errors are gone. Now the errors are gone, guys. Okay. Now another problem that I have to see here is there are duplicate files here. Okay. There are duplicate files. Login test, register account test, such tests. Okay. There are duplicate test files like login test, etc. Let's see what it will do. Again, it's facing some troubles. Don't try again. Let's wait. Yes. Accept. Delete the files. Files will get deleted, guys. Okay. Any other? You see, another register test is also there. Duplicate one. It's asking me to delete. I deleted. And such test is there. Accept. Deleted. Okay. It's verifying this again. Okay. So register account test is a duplicate of which one? Register test. You see here framework test is there, again test is there. Okay. Accept. Now tests got deleted. Okay. What is the use of test package then? What did it say? Let's see. Yeah. Run. See what will happen. Resume. Just click on resume, guys. It will take some time sometimes. That's okay. It's giving a lot of stuff here. But okay. But I see two tests packages. One is normal tests, and other is framework. Framework. Okay. Framework slash tests. You are right. Let me check what's inside the regular test package. Listed zero items. It will decide to delete it now. Okay. Most probably. Okay. Let's click on the resume button here again. Click on run. Click on run. Did it delete? Yes, it has deleted, guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Anything is going on there. Okay. Scan the project once again to see any problems. Let's see what it does. Looks like everything is done. Driver is there, pages are there, utils are there, base is there, framework is, resources are there, everything is there. Okay, let's see. It has something. It's modifying something. That's okay. Click on run. Okay, then. Okay, it's giving something. That's okay. So simply say that scripts should run one by one instead of parallelly running. Okay, let's see what it does. Click on accept. Done. It's adding some priorities also. Even though I didn't ask, it's adding some priorities also to the scripts. I can do all the changes, guys. That's okay. Okay. Click on accept. Wherever I want, I can just write the prompts here and do the changes here on the left side. Okay. I don't have to touch these files or this code or anything. Just keep clicking on accept and write proper prompts. That's it. Okay. All the things it's giving. That's okay. I'll now say implement listeners, listeners and extend reports. In the framework, I want listeners and extend reports to be implemented. Okay, click on accept. That's it. See, somewhere here you see listeners have come. It's creating all the stuff for us automatically. It's modifying the TestNG.xml file to include that listener. Click on accept. You see, it has added the path of the listeners class. All good. And now it will work on the extend reports. Okay. Click on accept. Now accept. Okay. Under utils, test utils is there. There are two utils. I don't know why. Should not be two utils. Okay, that's okay still. Then I want extend reports to report to automatically launch after my after all the scripts run. Okay. It's working. Let's wait. Accept. Okay, let's wait. So, okay. Any other changes we need? Remove warning messages, if any, from the project, and remove any duplicates or unnecessary files or folders or packages from the project. Like this, you give some prompt. Let's see what it does. Click on accept. Unnecessary warnings will be removed, unnecessary files will be removed. Okay. Okay, a lot of things are going on. Remove any errors left out in the project. Okay. Click on accept. I know this takes time here. Prompts will take time, but it has done a lot of work. You can see. Okay. This generally takes a lot of time for us, but by using the prompts, a lot of things has been created on the fly. Should be okay with this kind of delay. Accept. Okay. Still, it has not removed anything from the base page or something. In base page.java, there are some errors. I need to mention it because if it's not able to, okay. Base page.java has some error. Okay. And if I add that, click on accept, errors will be gone. But other places errors came. That's okay. Let's see. Yes, just say yes. It's asking you whether to update this pages classes also. I said yes. Okay. Click on accept. It's working on one by one file, but a lot of errors are still coming. That's okay. Click on accept. Now it will work on the search page most probably. Click on accept. Let's see what it does now. Now that I have done all the, you need to update the test classes to pass. Let me help you with that. First, let me check the test classes. It's working on these errors. You are having trouble, click on resume. If they have trouble, click on resume, guys. That's it. You keep getting that kind of messages. You just have to click on resume, try again, all those stuff. Now it's working on the login test.java. Okay. Click on accept. Next, it will work on the register test.java now. Yes, completed. Register test.java. Click on accept. Now it will work on the search test.java. Okay, completed. I would like to run the scripts now. Okay, let's see what it does. I asked it to create two tests under login test, two tests under register test, two tests under such test, right? Let's see. It's cross-checking. If everything is good, then it will give me an option to command to run the test also. It says now everything looks good. Now let's run the test using I'll execute the following command. Click on run. Let's see where our automation scripts are running or not one by one in this project. Okay. Let's see how it goes. If any problems are there, it will debug itself. Initially, it may face some problems. There is a possibility, but we don't know. But let's see. Let's see what it can do. Let's see whether our scripts will run or any problems will come. Let's see. Yeah, scripts are running, guys. I don't know. Everything got failed. Okay. Everything got failed here. Okay. So let's go here and see, it will identify the problems by itself. Okay, you don't have to do much, though it has generated but it will identify that there are some problems in the project. Okay, things didn't go well. Help the fix the issues. Okay, it's finding out what is the problem in the project and all. Okay, could not find the file base test. Now it's saying base test is not there. Okay, but here base test is there here. I don't know where exactly it's looking for. Okay, it's doing some modification. Debugging process is automatically invoked, guys. Okay, once I run the test, once it didn't get any results, right, it has taken the by itself. It has identified that there are problems in the project and it started rectifying them. Okay, see what it does. Can I run them? Yeah, let's run to see what is happening. This time, let's see what is happening. Any problems coming, or are the scripts running properly or not? Let's see. Again, the same problem came. Nothing worked out. All scripts are failing. Okay. It want to check why they are failing. That's okay. Let it check. Okay, I'll give this information there. Yeah, it identified before I typed the prompt itself. It identified that there is some problem. That's okay. Close this. Click on accept. It will do all the changes. Okay, click on accept. Now click on accept again. Okay, let's see what it will do. Let's run the test to saying. Let's click on the run. Let's see what happens now. Whether the test will run or not. Let's see. It has done some changes. Let's see whether things are working fine or not. Okay, again the same problem came. Don't know what it will do. Yes, it had identified the problem, why they are failing and all. Okay. Okay, it's doing some changes. Click on accept. Okay, again accept. Accept. Okay, it's giving me the list of changes it has done and giving the command. Let's click on run to see whether it has it's will work now or not. Okay, see what will happen this time. I will run the command. Again, the same problem is coming. Again, it will say the same thing, I think so. It's unable to overcome the problem. Resume. Again, the scripts got failed, guys. Okay. Click on accept. Try again. Try again. Accept. Accept. Are there any errors here? Yes, looks like test listener dot Java has some test listener dot Java has some errors. Okay, accept. Errors are not gone yet. See the errors. Still working on it. Accept. Is there anything resolved or still there? Now the error is gone, but don't know whether the scripts will run or not. Okay, let's see. Resume. Hey, run the tests to see if they are working this time. Try again. Okay, click on run. See what is happening. No, nothing is going right in this way, guys. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here so that you can understand what is happening. Okay, it's going one by one file to see where exactly the problem is and making the necessary changes. Click on accept. Okay, click on accept. So, to give me the command, right, to run. Okay, click on run. Let's see whether it will work this time or not. Yeah, the browser has launched finally. Maximized application URL got opened. Is the script working or not? Let's see. Okay. The browsers are not getting closed. That's okay. At least the scripts are running, but all scripts got failed. Just close these things and simply say that I see the issue now. The problem is test case in. Let's fix the issue. Things are getting better, guys. Okay. Let's be hopeful and see. Does it result in a normal thing or not? Let's see. Okay. Click on accept. Click on run to see whether it is fixed or not. The problem is fixed or not. Let's see. See what will happen this time. Again, the same thing. Nothing is going forward. Let's wait. Click on accept. Accept. Resume. Try again. Click on accept. Let's see. Click on run to see what is happening. We'll close the previous ones. Let's wait to see what is happening. Is it launching the browser or so? We have to see. Okay, browser got finally launched. Maximize application URL got opened. But is anything happening inside the script? We have to see. Still not working, guys. Still not working, I feel. It's unable to get the things done. Okay, same problems came, guys. Okay, let me close this stuff. accept, click on accept, click on run. Now the scripts are going forward. At least they are running. Hope for the best, guys. But there are some mistakes. It will identify the problems and debug itself and modify the code accordingly. Don't worry. At least the scripts are running. That's important. Okay. Whatever the problems that are happening, right, it will dynamically, few tests got passed. Okay. Out of all these tests, few tests got passed. That's a very good thing for us. Okay. Few things got passed. That is very important for us. But it will identify the problems and debug itself to modify the scripts. It's evolving. Basically, it's evolving and, creating better code and getting the things done. Accept. Again, accept. If you want to review, you can review and accept also. But here I'm not putting my brain. No brainer, I am doing this. Okay. Try again. If you're already aware of this framework and all and what it is doing, right, you can give proper prompts, not like this, do like this kind of things. It will do it. Okay. But here I just want to follow its own way. I don't want to put any brainer and get the things done. That's what I'm looking forward. Click on accept. Try again. Try again. Now click on run to see what is happening. Is it working this time or not? Let's see. Let's wait for the browser to launch. It will take a while. That's okay. Browser has launched. Let's see how the things are happening this time. As you can see, the browsers are getting opened but not getting closed. Okay. So you see the number of scripts that got passed got increased, guys. Number of tests which got passed, okay, got passed, got increased. I'll close this or I'll do one thing. Okay, click on accept. Few things I have seen here is yeah, let it do whatever it does. After that, I'll give my prompts to get to the next level. Okay, always use new email address to create account while testing register test dot javascripts. Okay, let's see what it does. Yeah, now it's modifying the changes. You see, whatever the observations I have, I'm just giving that and it's modifying the script accordingly. Okay, click on accept. Accept. It does. Let's see. Resume. Close all this stuff. Browsers are not getting closed, right? That's what I mean to mention them. Okay. Browsers are not getting closed after running the scripts. It's doing some changes. Let's see what it does. Click on accept. Initially, it will take some time, guys. After that, things will be good. Okay. Initially, until the framework is ready and all, the project is ready and all this lot of prompts need to be given. After that, things will be very smooth. So let's see. Errors in test listener listner.java. That particular file has an error, so I just mentioned that so that it can rectify. Where the error is, but yeah, somewhere here it is there. Except, let's see what it will do. Error in line 97 of test listener .java file. Checking other stuff, that's okay. As the error. Except error is gone. Okay, let's run now. Click on run. Let's hope for the best to see if it has fixed the problems and the scripts are running or not. Let's see. Okay. So far so good. Creating the account also, the script. Okay, the first one was good. Second test. Let's see. Let's observe one by one test to see if anything is happening. Any problems are happening. Let's see that. Continue. Second is also done. Third one. Whether tests are passing or failing, they should close the browser. Okay. Third one is also done. Fourth test is now running. Okay. Close the browser. Yeah, done. Fifth test will run now. Total six tests are there. Fifth test, this is search functionality test. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. Closed. Sixth test, done. Report got generated. One thing was failed. It's given a screenshot and everything, but some things may not happen in a proper way. So we have to give proper prompts to update the things. Okay. Okay. You see, it identified. Okay. The test got passed, but we have given it as failed. So it's modifying the script actually. That's a good thing. It is debugging by itself. It's updating the such test.java so that every test will pass this time. Let's wait. Okay, let's run this time and to see whether we get a proper results report this time. This time all the tests will pass, most probably. Total 6 tests should run and they should pass. First one done. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. No, fifth one. Final one, I think so. All the things got passed. Okay. All the tests got passed. Everything is working fine now. Okay. If any failed also, we got a screenshot earlier. That's how the framework has been built, project has been built, code has been written by just by giving these prompts. So this kind of technique is called as wipe coding, guys, and it's you can do wipe coding in this kind of editor known as Cursor AI editor, which is now trending in the market, guys. So this is what is the demo I wanted to give about this Cursor AI editor, where we don't have to create a project, where we don't have to write the automation scripts, where we don't have to build the framework, and you can still keep giving a lot of prompts here, guys. I know, and make the framework to go to the next level according to your needs and expectations. Okay, you can keep working on it. You will get used to it over a period of time. You will be getting better results from this editor. Okay, so that's all from this session, guys. Take care. Bye.